Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will do room drill down on BlueTeamLabsOnline. As you can see, first details, we go to details and scenarios. Your organization doesn't use Amazon Web Services. So when a threat hunter starts seeing connections to multiple ESU2 instances, it's time to start hunting to understand what happened. So the information can be passed to the incident response team and indicators can be gathered for intelligence sharing. Now to start Splunk, you need to open the terminal and use this command. I will let that you to do. I already did it. And then open Firefox and navigate to this link. After the beginning of each search query, start it with index. Index is equal asterisk, and make sure to set the time frame to all time. Now, first question. Wayne Corp Inc. doesn't use Amazon Web Service for cloud hosting. So when a threat hunting discovered outbound connections to instances, they immediately began to drill down into the activity so they can provide as much context for the incident response team as possible. Using sysmon logs, how many destinations hostnames are found. So if we are looking for the source type, we are getting here 13 events. If you don't have here results, go to the event sampling and put 1 to 100. And now you should be getting these results if you don't have earlier. So source type, for now we have 6. And it will come more. And our job is to find how many destinations hostnames are found. So I will be using XML event log. Click on that. And back event sampling to no event sampling to see all events that we can get. Okay. Now we have only one keyword, that's ESU2. So we will use that to find our answer, because if I go to the main hostname, I have 100 plus. And this is difficult to manually search for that. So just put here the name, click the enter, and to see what will we get from the results. Nice, 47, 1000, a little bit more. Now destination hostname, we getting three destination hostname. That will be our answer. Question 2. Enter the hostnames excluding computer amazon.com in order to event count with hides first. So this will be the answer first, second one, and third one, as you can see here in the answers. After that, moving on to question 3. Look at the image interesting fields to see what files are initiating these connections. What is the image value with the lowest count? So here is the interesting fields, and we have image. Our image with the lowest count is this one. This is some executable file and could be malicious. So this is the answer what I get from the image, and I'll already put that in our search. What is the hostname and the internal IP address of the system that initiated this connection? So searching for the host, if you get only this, you don't get the full name, but here in our event, in output from our event, we can find probably the host name or computer. Host, only one. Host name. Okay. and that should be the answer. W11F9. No, looking for computer. Okay, 1, and here is the answer. Yes, yes. Okay, and what is the internal IP address? If you don't know how to find internal, external IP address, and you are confused, source, destination IP, internal IP address, little bit googling, they saying us an internal IP address is also called a local IP address, and usually this IP begins with 192, 192, and 168. So if you're looking for the source IP, I don't get here, maybe with source IP like this. Nice, source IP, and here is the answer. You can of course always look here manually, but when you have only one event, it's easy to search, but when you have 100 events or more, 1000, then you need to look on the interesting fields. It's more efficient way to look. Okay, I solved this one. What time was this connection event used? Time created system time. So this is the time what I get. Need to remember, can I get from here the time? I think I can't. So looking of the looking on the field time. Nothing. Okay, time created. UTC time 2016 12:43 and 32. This is not the answer. Now looking on this way for the time. Now we are getting our results, real results. Okay. What is destination host name and IP address of the AWS AC2 instance? So now we need to look for destination host name and destination IP address. Destination host name is this one, and destination IP is this one. Okay. Utilize sysmon-logs to find the SHA-256 hash of the executable making this connection. What is the hash value? So this is the executable that is initiating the connection. This one. So if I go like this and look for the connections, I get 69 events. If I go to hashes, I get a lot of the hashes, and every single of them is different. So I need only for this one, for the .x 2719x. So if you put event code 1, and event code 1 is for executable files. So if you don't know what is event code and how it works, syslog event. But was moment I had here, remember this one like this, and you can get here the some hints: event ID, process creation, so context and operation, execution. That is what we need. And you have here event ID 2, 3, 4, and moving on more events, very usual commands. And back to our question, now I get 5 events. If I go to command line, I see 4 events here. This is one counting 2. So I only need for our file. event. So if I go and choose that, I see on the hashes now should be only one hash, and this is true. And here is our hash in the middle, SHA-256, and this is the answer. Search for this hash online to find more about its reputation. On the Behavior tab, look at the results for Microsoft sys internals. What two IP addresses are listed that begin with 261? So I will choose this hash. I need 256. Copy. Now you can go to virus total. I have dark reader, so I will put that off. See better what is happening. And as you can see, this is malicious. This is the answer. And now I will not go and search on behavior selections, what is the IP. You can do that yourself. It's very, very easy. So I will put again dark reader. Question 9. Using these two gathered IPs, check to see if there is any activity from them in Splunk, which there might not be. What is the number of events per IP where the address is mentioning anywhere in a log? So if you use this two IP address and put here first one, then second, you will get 0 events. So you get null events, and that will be the answer. At what time was this file uploaded to the web server? So now, if you're going to search for string upload, you doesn't get results in XML event log. What that means? It means you need to change your source type and use probably HTTP to see when is file uploaded. So I get now only 0 events. That means I need to remove command line. Now I'm getting 2 events. Probably can find here the answer. Upload. Upload message, upload successful. Nice. Upload successful. What is the time? 2016. T2157. Okay. And this is not time that we are looking for, because it has 47. They're saying us use timestamp value. So if I go for the timestamp, I can see here is the 2 events. And second one should be our answer. So on the second one event, we found the upload successful string. So that will be the answer. After that, I can close this one. And what user agent was used to upload the file? So now we need to find the post method and HTTP method. If you're looking for the post method, already we have post method. This is good. And HTTP user agent, and here is our answer. What URL received a post from request from the attacker in order to upload the file? Add to something. So URL can I find like this? Joomla administrator index PHP. This is our answer, and we can find here too the rel path. To confirm one more time, yes, it is the answer. What is the source IP responsible for the initial access activity? So what is the IP that is initiating this activity? For moving to the destination, IP, no. This is destination, but we need source, right? The IP, what is responsible for this attack. So source IP need to find. Okay, I get here source IP, should be getting here too. Source, nothing. Maybe move to client IP. Yes, we got a client IP that is not the same practically, but the client will be the source IP because he is changing the state of the server. He is doing something. He is uploading something. He is taking control of something. That is meaning the client IP. Okay, this is the answer. After that, we need to understand if any of our network defenses have detected this activity, or if we were completely blind. Use one of the retrieved indications to search the logs to see if anything has flagged this file as being malicious. Provide any timestamp retrieved from a relevant log to show evidence of some kind of alert of notification. So provide any timestamp. It is the more correct answers here. So first, how can we find this? Is someone detect? Probably with Suricata or with firewall. I get one event with Suricata and one event with firewall. This is the firewall, FortiGate UTM. So I will start with firewall to see what he found. Did he found some virus? Did he found that his file is malicious or something like that? I will look on this event and the reading of this one, they saying us infected. Okay, and after that message file is infected, and here is the file name. That means this is the correct answer. And timestamp, only one event. I don't get the time. And now I get here's time, but this is not the correct. If you can get the right time, try to search like this. Time. Now I getting the right time. 15, 52, 45, and here is the datum. August 10, 2016. 2016, 8, 10, 4. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope so that you enjoyed this room. So this is the retired room from BlueTeamLabsOnline, and this is only for the people who have pro or paid version. And thank you all guys for the watching, and hope so that I see you in the next video. Bye.